Welcome to WordPress Interview Questions and Answers with Positive Zenith. Explain the process of creating and using discount coupons in WooCommerce. To create coupons, navigate to WooCommerce greater than coupons, set the coupon type, discount amount, and other rules. Customers can apply coupons during checkout to receive discounts. How can you install and configure the WooCommerce plugin for online store setup? Install WooCommerce from the WordPress plugin repository. Follow the setup wizard to configure your store's settings, including currency, shipping, and taxes. How can you manage customer reviews and ratings for products in WooCommerce? Enable product reviews in settings, and customers can leave reviews and ratings. You can moderate reviews and engage with customers to build trust. How can you track and manage orders and sales in WooCommerce? You can track orders and sales in the WooCommerce dashboard, view orders, manage their status, and generate reports to gain insights into your store's performance. How do you handle payment gateways and shipping options in WooCommerce? WooCommerce supports various payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. You can configure them in the settings. Shipping options can be set up, including flat rate, free shipping, and real-time rates from carriers. What are the best practices for setting up product categories and tags in WooCommerce? Use well-organized categories and tags to make it easier for customers to find products. Plan your taxonomy carefully and maintain consistency. What are the shipping classes in WooCommerce, and how do they work? Shipping classes are used to group similar products and apply specific shipping rules to them. For example, you can charge different rates for heavy and light items. What are the steps for adding and managing products in WooCommerce? To add products, navigate to WooCommerce, add a product, and fill in product details, including title, description, price, and images. Use categories and tags for organization. What are WooCommerce extensions, and how can they expand the functionality of your online store? WooCommerce extensions are plugins or add-ons that extend your store's capabilities. They can add features like subscriptions, bookings, payment gateways, and more. What is WooCommerce, and how does it transform a WordPress site into an e-commerce platform? WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that turns a regular site into a feature-rich e-commerce platform. It adds essential shopping functionality like product listings, cart, checkout, and payment processing. Quick, informative, and ready for more? Subscribe to Positive Zenith. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Stay tuned for more in-depth interviews and interview preparation videos.